In today's video, we'll be showing you how to type text in a PDF document. In this tutorial, we'll guide you to fill out forms, add comments, or to simply edit an existing PDF document. We'll be using Adobe Acrobat, one of the most popular tools for managing PDF files. If you don't have it already installed, you have to download it first. To download Adobe Acrobat software to your desktop, open your web browser and go to the search bar. Just type Download Adobe Acrobat Reader and click Enter button on your keyboard. Choose the official Adobe website link in the search results and click on it. This will direct you to the Adobe Acrobat Reader download page, and then click Download button to start the download process. Then follow the installation instructions. To open your PDF document which you want to edit using Adobe Acrobat. Once the PDF is open, look for the toolbar on the left side of the screen. In this toolbar, you will see various options. Towards the bottom, you will see a box with a capital A symbol. When you click on this box, you will see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Type Text option. Then, click on the area in the document where you want to type your text. You can adjust text size as needed and reposition the text box to fit perfectly within your document. With these steps, you'll be able to easily type and edit the text in your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat. Once you have filled text, you can save the PDF document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.